Hey guys, good morning. So I was working on my YouTube studio this morning and I realized since I've been gone for 10 months, there were actually comments from people that I have been neglected by accident. I did not set comment notifications, so I've missed all of the comments the last 10 months until this morning. So I took some time to respond to those individuals and to those who left a comment and didn't get a reply before, I am so sorry. It wasn't like I was ignoring you on purpose. I just didn't know better. I'm hoping to at least upload one video a week. Let's just see how it is with my work schedule and how consistent I can be. I need to wrap up a rough draft of a homepage website for our clients, so we will be reviewing that at noon. So I've got to get back to work. So, real quick before I start doing some of my website work. I'm curious, what do you guys do? What are you guys working on? Are you a local designer? Do you do illustrations? Are you into packaging or maybe websites? So yeah, let me know in the comments. I'd love to know. Hello, hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you? Yeah.
Busy week so far?
What we're gonna see, pretty rough mock-up layout. All of the text is placeholder text. All of the images, placeholder images. But I think what we really want to focus on is just kind of looking at the typography pairing to see if you're going to like that direction. Okay?
Sounds good.
All right, sounds good. A very clear headline, short to the point, and then maybe one or two sentences underneath to explain our focus. And this is another opportunity for them to schedule an appointment kind of right away. So for people who are like, I know the website and I just need to make an appointment, we're giving them right away 2 opportunities to schedule us.
I like that.
This is very much like an editorial. When we open up those architecture or interior design magazine, it's like, first of all, using hierarchy and typography combined. We're guiding the user what to read first and second. The taller and serif fonts would be, one, it'd be legible, very modern, easy to read font. And then it pairs up nicely with a sans serif body font.
I really like it. I like that font a lot.
Hey guys, I just had a fantastic meeting with my clients, and I don't know, do you guys still get nervous when you're presenting something for the first time to your clients? Well, I still do, but it worked out great. So, the main goal of our meeting today was to approve typography pairing for the brand. Then I can kind of wrap up the typography section in the brand style guide, then share it with her social media strategist. And of course, we are not yet ready to start the website, but I wanted to demonstrate how those typeface pairing will work in an actual application. We are starting on her actual website work in about 2 weeks. She is responsible for all the content. So, what I'm going to do is actually send the link of the homepage website to her. That way, she can write the content to what the homepage looks like. And second, the photographer can also look at the homepage website and to make sure that the shot lists are prepared prior to the shoot. And she can also think about wardrobe styling as well to match it up on the website. This is just a fantastic meeting. Great news. I have a list of things that I need to finalize and then deliver. Then we will be ready to move on to the website portion of the project. So, yeah, what a great day. Hopefully, everything is going well and positive on your end, guys. So, when it's in the afternoon, I typically sit down and get into a more deep focus working. I've got about 5 things that I got to do. So, number one, I've got to finalize that study guide, send that over to the strategist. Number two, I've got to send over a calendar invite for our next meeting with the client. Then I have to send the website link over to my client and also the photographer so they can both review the websites. Lastly, I've got to review the content outline that I provided to my client just to make sure it still matches with the homepage of the website. Hey guys, thank you so much for working with me today. Even though it is a pretty dead and gloomy day outside, I'm even starting to power down a little bit. I'm gonna power through this, then I'm gonna maybe edit a couple more vlogs along the way. So until then, see you in the next video.